Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going through my holiday clothes, and I got 3 bags and it cost £260. Oh my god, I'm so concerned. Get subscribe and like if you like my video today. And I'm like technically asking you guys if you think it's okay. So I spent a lot of pounds. I had 3 bags, and you will see a lot of 8 to 9. So I'm asking you guys if you recommend them on the holiday, you know? Like, okay, so first of all, I've put some on my desk. Add some in the bags. So, I want to first start with some sliders. These are beautiful sliders. They say mermaid, and then if I go like this, you can kind of see that they. I need to change them. There you go. So it changes to unicorn. So yeah, I like these sliders. These are almost size 13 to 20. And I think these are pretty good. So yeah, I really like these. They're really nice. Okay, so the next one is I'm going to go with my shorts. They are shorts and they're daisies and I'm size 8 to 9. You will see a lot of them. I want to try these. Mom, can I try these shorts on? Because most shorts don't even fit me. Like, most shorts just. I haven't worn shorts in ages. I only wear my shorts for, they're not like the blue shorts. I can't get this label thing off. I mean, there's not a clip either. It just keeps them 2 things together. Oh, I know what you have to do. You have to. I can't. Okay, I can't do this. I just can't. I'll come back to these. So yeah, they're short. And then I need my beauty sleep because like I need my beauty sleep. So yeah, they're my favorite. I've got the pajamas I really liked. Yeah. I think that's really nice. So then, this is my favourite top that I've saw so far. Mario, Princess Peach. I think it's really like 14, like 10 thingy. But yeah, the entertainment and all of that, and I think it's a really nice top after all. So then I've got a yellow top. Oh, by the way, this is a new from now. I got a yellow like vest. It's a vest. For like in case it gets too hot, I just want to put it on. So then I chose this dress as well. I think it's pretty nice, and yeah, Jay, look at. I want to show you something. I'm going to show my brother.
Between them, please.
Look at that dress.
Talk carefully about this.
Okay, so I'm getting over the top now, clothes. So I'm gonna get my rubber bits. I don't want to fall off my jacket. So I got some leggings just in case it gets a bit cold there because Turkey. It used to be boiling, but now it's cold.
Alright, you've only got 2 left.
And then there's another pair in case.
Well, you know, are you selling weed or not? You've had money for your hair. Lovely.
So. Jake, shut up! Okay, so I've got pants. I don't want to show the pants for too long because it's inappropriate. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my other one. No, I'm not going to get. I'm gonna reach it. Oh, but this is wrong. Okay, so I found this. Well, this isn't even mine. This is my mom's. This isn't even mine. This is my mom's. Okay, I'm just gonna leave my mom's stuff over here because like I don't need it.
Yeah, I'll get some of these cups, Jamie.
And then, and once again, it says Love Sparkle Shine thing, and it's another vest, by the way, in case it gets hot again. You know, it mostly gets hot in every single holiday. It's pretty easy. Okay, so next I got like a flower thing, and it's to like to wear on my head. Yeah, that's my flower thing. I found it pretty cool actually. So let's get my next thing. So I got a lot, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot of socks. I got these white socks for like where I'm with, like I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys. I'm gonna wait. And then I got another pair of blooming socks. There's a lot of socks actually. And then guys, I can't reach the rest of the bag. You guys can't. Look, unbelievable, like it's still going. This is one bag, and there's 3 bags to get through. Here's another one, by the way. So that's going to be all the way up there in a second. It's like up to there. That's up to there, like there. And then this is one bag. I got my bottles because I need them. Okay, so one bag done. Okay, so with the second bag, this is my favourite. Please stop, bro. Jay. Gee. Okay, so here's a pink top. This is 8 to 9, and it's really stretchy because it goes on the side. And my friend's got yellow one, so we can match. Like, I love pink. Like, pink everywhere. And see, I've got a pink one coming up. This is like a thing to go, like when you go to the beach or something, and it's really cool actually. And that is 8 to 9 years. So, yeah. And then once again, I've got the exact same but black. I like it again because it's like the one that goes off like that. Bye. So my mum threw this in the basket, and I'm still confused why she did. Yeah, she just threw it in without me even seeing. She just threw this in. I'm gonna try it on because I want it. Like,
Perfect
okay, I took it off. Oh, I know what you do. You have to untake the thing off it. I'm gonna try them on. Oh my god, they fit me. I can already just guarantee. I need to like kind of do this without. Wait. I'm trying not to. Yeah. Why do I look like fake? Well, this is. I'm gonna stand up for a second. While they can pull them up because they're not like pulling up. Put this up. Oh jeez. These actually fit me, Mum, look. 7 to 8 actually fits me. So these are my shorts. I think they're... Mum. Ooh, I love these shorts. I think I'm going to keep them on for now. They're pretty cool. Okay, so... Next I have got... I'm sick of seeing vests everywhere. Like, please stop. I can be seeing vests everywhere, like so annoying. Yeah. So then I got. I don't know what to say. What this is? What even is it? It's shorts, big shorts, I guess.
The word signs, like chewing to me.
So here's another like top thing. This is my like second favourite top now. The Mario top was my favourite. But I took this one off the hanger. This one's pretty actually nice though. That's the thing with, because they're pretty nice that I pick. So, if you don't like this, then just not like it. But this is a really nice top actually. It's like a wedding top and it's pretty nice, but I'm not going on a wedding. I did last year. Last year, okay, and next, this is my favourite thing to show you guys. It's a hat that says unicorns! JK. So that is that. And then I got this flamingo. Yeah. TikTok is taking over the world. I didn't want to wear these at the start, but then I made my decision and I was just like, yes, yes, I'm wearing them. It's these and the like flip-flop things. Yeah, they can't, nothing else can, I'm just going to put it over there. Okay, so, next is a chocolate thing? I can't tell. Yeah, so it's like a little top.
hit the silver counter.
And then we've got some of my mum's shoes, which again, why do I want to see them? But okay, so I'll put them back on there. I can't reach them. Okay, so this story, yeah, there's a boy, but I'm not sure them anymore. I think I'm gonna put Nickelodeon. Yeah. Second bag. Joy. One more bag left. I'm zooming through this. This takes me like 11 minutes. Takes me 10. Okay. I'm back over here, my friend. So here's a onesie. It's very big. Yeah, it's Minnie Mouse. Isn't that cool? So next, yeah, I just got one. Yeah, I mean this is just white. Just white. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is I want to try all of the shorts. So here's some things. Yeah. Yes, once again I'm not going to show these because they don't have a package with them. So then I told my mom I needed these for my lips, and she got me them. They're flamingos. I'm obsessed with flamingos. Like, someone needs to get me a flamingo. I was gonna get a flamingo, but I got two. So once again, this is one for the night. Jesus Christ, guys! I want to show you guys how much is off on Princesses. And by the way, I got two glasses and I don't
But next this afternoon, Bradley's team have to be at the top of their game to outrun the chaser. Stay right there for the chase.
I was like, cars, but she just let them slip through. Yeah. I don't know what all that is, but here is the glasses. One's a unicorn, and one is like there's just some really cool shades. Why am I talking American? Shades, sunglasses. Jesus Christ! Like, I'm gonna really tell you what things are. Okay, so yeah, let's start with another hat. You can already tell, like Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. What? I'm in love with Mickey Mouse. And then here's another swimming suit I like. Guys, I just really want to explain how much is on there. I can't reach it. So here's like a little sleeping mask I like. My mom let me have it. Yeah. So freak, I nearly fell off my chair. You heard that go. Both you did hear that. Yeah. There's not a point of you having that. So here's some other shorts I thought that would just be cool on the beach or something to do with that. I've got another 2 minutes. I'm nearly done it. Here's some other cherry shorts. Remember I said I would always try on all my shorts. Yeah. Next I've got a play suit. And it's like dotty. I like it. It looks like it's dotty. Yeah, my play suit is coming undone. Yeah. I don't have one more thing. This. Third bag. So I've done all my clothes now. So now I'm going to try on all of my shorts. So these are the first shorts I tried on. They're pretty glittery and my mom just picked them out for me. So I'm going to show you my second pair in a sec. See ya then. Second shorts. Now it's time for my third shorts. So guys, I packed everything away, and by the way, this is the shout out for today. And if you guys like my video, please smash the like button and comment down below your favourite. It was out of 260, I think. But yeah, there's about 100 clothes. But if you counted, you are cool. So yeah, by the way, guys, smash the like button, subscribe. If you like this video, and subscribe if you do like this video. Put a notification on, and I'll see you guys next time because I'm in a different video now. So yeah. By the way, these are real. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna see you I'm gonna see you tomorrow because it's every day, bro. Peace.